if you are preparing to write any senior secondary school exam and you cannot solve any of this, there is a big problem. Yes. So now we are asked to factorize this. Let's see what to do. From number 1, we have 3 questions on the board. Let us take them one after the other. Number 1, we have 1 minus 4c squared. 1 minus 4c squared. Mind you, if you want to factorize this, this is the same thing as 1 squared minus 2 squared c squared. Yes, 1 squared is the same thing as 1, because 1 times 1 is still 1. 4 is the same thing as 2 squared, because 2 times 2 is 4, and then we have c squared. So this is still the same thing as 1 squared minus 2c all squared. Yes, from the law of indices, they are both having the square, so I'm taking the square outside the bracket. Yes. Now we have 1 squared minus 2c all squared. Now we are going to apply what? Difference of 2 squares. We are going to apply the difference of 2 squares. And it states that if you have something like this, 1 squared minus 2c squared, this is the same thing as 1 plus 2c into 1 minus 2c. That is the answer. It's as simple as that. We are done with number 1. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 here we have 2m squared minus 8n squared. If you look at this, 2 is a factor of both of them. So I'm bringing 2 outside the bracket. This is the same thing as 2 into m squared minus 4n squared. Yes, because 2 times m squared will give us 2m squared. Minus 2 times 4 is 8. Then n squared. Look at it. This is the same thing as this. This is also the same thing as 2 into m squared minus 4 is the same thing as 2 squared n squared. Yes. Yes. 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. Because 2 times 2 will give us what? 4. This is still the same thing as 2 into n squared minus 2n all squared. Yes, from the law of indices, 2n, both of them are having the square. So we pick 2n, then take the square outside the bracket. Now, we are going to express this as difference of what? 2 squares, just like what we did here. We are going to apply the same principle here. So let us move over up here. So this is the same thing as 2 into, watch carefully, m plus 2n into m minus 2n. So that is our answer for number 2. So now let us move over to number 3. So number 3 we have this x squared y squared minus 1. Hey, this is the same thing as x squared y squared minus 1 squared. 1 is the same thing as 1 squared. Don't forget. Yes. From here now, this is the same thing as x y all squared. Yes, since both of them are having the square. This is the same thing as this then, minus 1 squared. Hey, so what are we going to do? We are going to still express this as a difference of 2 squares. Yes. So this is the same thing as xy plus 1 into xy minus 1. That is our answer. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.